In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a service management project in Jira. This process will guide you through setting up your project efficiently, which is essential for managing and tracking your team's work in the best way possible. So let's dive right in. We'll begin by navigating to your Jira dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll see the navigation bar, which is your gateway to all Jira's features. Here you need to find and select the option labeled Projects. Hover over it and then click on Create Project. This action takes you into the project creation mode, where the magic starts to happen. Once you're in, you'll see various project templates, each tailored for different needs. For our purpose today, we need to select the service management category. This category is specifically designed to streamline the way your team manages service operations, making it a vital choice for efficient workflow management. Now, with the service management category in front of you, take a moment to browse through the available templates. You'll see options ranging across different service functions. Examine each one and choose the template that aligns best with your team's specific requirements. For the sake of this example, we're going to use the IT service management template. This decision is based on its comprehensiveness and popularity in efficiently handling IT-related service issues. Having picked your template, it's crucial to review its details to ensure it covers all your needs. Once satisfied, click on Use Template. This step officially sets the template as your project base. Next up, it's time to name your project. Choose a name that is both unique and descriptive enough to be easily recognizable by everyone on your team. Following that, you'll need to assign a key. This is a shorthand identifier for your project that appears in your task URLs. You can either create this manually or simply use the auto-generated one. As we move forward, you'll select the team type from a drop-down menu. This allows you to specify which department or team will be primarily using this project, whether it's sales, marketing, legal, or another. A crucial decision at this point is setting the channel access. You have the option to make it open, meaning anyone in the organization can join, or restricted, allowing only certain individuals access. There is an optional setting you might want to consider, which is share settings with an existing project. If you check this box, you can streamline your setup by mirroring settings from another project already running. Finally, once you're satisfied with all these configurations, it's time to bring your project to life. Go ahead and click on Create Project, and just like that, you've set up a service management project in Jira. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Remember, setting up your project correctly from the start can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.